Leah, go kick the soccer ball.
Yeah.
You gonna kick it?
Yeah.
Hey, I just got, so of course she's been kicking it a bunch. And as soon as I get out the video camera, she stops kicking it. Leah, can you kick the soccer ball? Mama just got the camera so they could see. Show them how you kick the soccer ball. You have to put it on the ground, buddy. You have to put the ball on the ground. Good job. Now you can kick it.
Yeah. Well,
Kick. Kick it with your foot. There you go. Good kick. Good kick. And now you want to pick it up?
Yeah.
That's called a handball.
Yeah.
The other team gets a free kick when you do that, buddy. Into the cabinet. What'd you find? Where's the spatula? You see the spatula? Oh, you dropped it. There it is. Oh, where are we going? Oh, careful. You got Frankie and Bobby? The door. Mama, close that door, buddy.
Yeah.
That's the door to Mommy and Daddy's room. She likes to play in there. Mama closed it. Can you show the camera where's Lammy? Can you go find Lammy? Where's Lammy? Yeah, is he in there? Can you find him? Can you find Lammy? There he is. Good job. You found Lammy. Good job, Leah. Play this music. You have to push his ear. Yeah, that's your stroller.
Yeah.
You want it? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell Mama thank you?
Yeah.
Leah, can you tell Mama thank you? Leah. Leah, can you tell Mama thank you, please? Hey, Leah, come here. Can you tell Mama thank you? Tell Mama thank you. Good job, you're welcome. Where's Lammy?
Yeah.
There he is. Zoom, zoom. Okay, buddy. Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Say see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye for now. Say bye-bye for now. Leah, say bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. You're being a stinker. Yes, you are.